Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved these 2 lock sprinkle looks. Keep watching to find out how I did it. I have my needle here, focus, and my thread, insert. Just gonna go find the tip of your lock, insert the needle with the thread that you loop through, and you leave some on one end like this. I don't know if you guys can see. You leave some. Your bead of choice. Again, I'm doing this purpley-ish color for this lock. Insert it, and then just hold and pull the needle through like that. And then if you do it successfully, the needle should come up with no thread on it. And then what I try to do is I try to reduce the amount of thread that's hanging to about that much. And then all I do now, tie a loop and then make it tight. And then it's all done. You find your cutting point. I am so sorry. And you just cut it. And there you have it. The first step is finding the perfect lock. So I think I will go with this lock on this side. Okay, so this one. Take my thread. I mean, you need a lot for this because it's like you're just adding a whole bunch of like beads all over your lock. And I think this one I'm actually take it like up. So you do that, and then you fold the thread into 2 parts like this, 2. And you take your needle. How we do it in my country, you just how we did it growing up. Do that. Then you add your thread to your needle. Let me go to the side and just pull until you get to the end. You snap either with your teeth or scissors, whichever. And then you tie the knot at the end. So you want to make sure the knot is like clean. And then you tie, and then a double loop. Another knot over your knot that you already made. Like that. So your thread is gonna have 4 lines, like 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Okay, so you have your needle and your thread, you have your lock, and now you can start adding the bead. So I found my bead. What do? I poke the lock first. I poke the lock, put the bead on the lock, pull the thread through, and then sew into the lock again. And that's the first bead, just like that. And for the excess part at the end, you can just chop it off with the scissors later. And then I go to the next one. Again, put my bead on the needle. Now, so as you sew the beads onto the lock, it's gonna be switching the lock and like having you put the beads on like different sides. Now because I want to change directions, I'm gonna sew it in, but then make it face like towards the middle here where there's no bead. And then, so I have 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Now I'm gonna add some on this side. So this is what I have, 2 oranges on this side, 2 whites on this side. And I'm just gonna keep going, keep going, keep going. If I want, I can change color now, but I'm gonna add a couple more before changing the color. You see, I changed colors and stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much how I do it. I'm gonna show you another one. Again, the thread is already sewed into the lock. Just put a bead on top and pass it through. I think I'm gonna end this here. So what I'll do here is just take this thread, loop it around the needle a couple times, and then pull like that. And then just cut it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I suggest you watch this video next. Bye.